Hey guys, this is Hadris with WTI, and today I have this amazing 3-in-1 machine. Each part has its distinct functions. The tripolar one works for the face to stimulate collagen. It's the one with three little things, and it's always necessary to use it with some gel, softener, or moisturizer that we want to absorb into the skin. While using it, we can see on the screen how it works on our skin with the waves it emits. Then there's the fourth part one that helps with cellulite and skin elasticity, which I really like. Each part of the machine shows you how it works, and it's super easy to choose and use. Simple since it has the essentials. I don't usually use the one for the stomach, but it helps a lot to combat localized fat. Overall, the machine is very comfortable and a good size. Each part connects easily, and all that's left is to choose what suits us. Using it on the face helps rejuvenate the skin, so I'll use it a lot in the future. And that's my point of view.